Okay, so for 40 years, Suncoast Community Health Centers has offered the men, women, children, and elderly of Hillsborough County access to state-of-the-art affordable health care. And here with details on the many services they provide is CEO Bradley Harrimans, who is back. Good morning. Good to see you again.
It's good to see you again.
It's so interesting. We've talked about this before. You've been around for 40 years doing a lot of great things for the community, but yet we're still needing to get the word out about what you do. Obviously, the business and the services are changing.
Well, they are.
A little bit.
And even before we kind of get into this, too, one thing I wanted to make sure I mentioned is to thank the Morning Blend team.
Aww.
You folks have been fantastic for us, and as you mentioned, for us, it's always been a challenge to get the word out so people know about us. We've started working with you for the last couple of years, and word is getting out.
Yeah.
And we're expanding, we're doing well. The number of people that are visiting our clinics is growing, and for that, we thank you.
Well, and that's why we do our show, because I think we do need kind of an avenue to get the word out about these great programs like what you guys are doing. So let's start here. The Pediatric, this is something I've worked with you for many years now, this Pediatric Dental Residency Program.
Yep.
I didn't know you guys were doing this.
Well, we are, and actually it's kind of one of the best kept secrets around. We really have one of the largest pediatric dental residency programs in the country, and it's right here in Brandon, Florida.
Wow.
We have a partnership with NYU Langone that we've had for a number of years. It's a very good relationship where their residents come and our dentists are the proctors of the program, and it's a great avenue for children that have limited access to dental services.
Which we know there are a lot of them out there.
In our community, we see between 85 and 100 children every day in our clinic.
Wow. Well, so we mentioned this. Talk about the school-based programs, too, while we're kind of on the field of education or the topic of education.
Sure. We work very closely with Jeff Eakins and the rest of the folks at the Hillsborough County School District. Great people. We've been partnering with them for a long time on doing a school-based dental program. Again, we go out to the schools with our coaches and our dental hygienists and our team. We focus on second graders. We start there. We're trying to expand the program a little bit. We've done some of that this year, but it's just a great initiative. And as a community health center, I believe it is our job and our responsibility to be in the community.
Well, and the Career Academy as well. I mean, we're talking a lot about education this morning, and you talk about the future of healthcare, and I think you do have to start with those that are coming up through the school system.
And you know, obviously our medical programs are expanding, our dental programs are expanding, and with that we decided, well, let's try to put some programs together to grow our own, if you will. So we started Suncoast Career Academy. We have dental assisting programs now, so if you're out there in the community and you want to have a new career as a dental assistant, please give us a call. The program's going very well. We hope to add pharmacy technology and then medical assisting in the not too distant future. So for my team, there you go. Now you gotta get
you said it here officially.
Got to get that going.
Yeah.
So we're extremely excited about that. But the clinics are going great. Our women's health programs are second to none. Our immunization programs for the kids. Diana Lopez, I know she's going to come and visit with you here later on. Our director of nursing just does a great job on making sure that all the children in the community are have immunizations.
Yeah, there you go.
Appropriately, big word. And so it's just been a pleasure.
We have about 30 seconds left.
Okay.
What's your take home, for this? And again, congratulations on 40 years and the expansion. There's locations all over the Bay Area. What do you want? Again, it's all about getting that word out. What do you want people to really know?
It is. I want people to know that nobody will be turned away at Suncoast Community Health Centers based upon your ability to pay. It's not a free clinic. I don't mean to imply that it is, but we will work with everybody to get them into a program that works for them, and if none of those work, we offer a sliding fee scale based upon a family's ability to pay. Our least expensive visit is $15 for the medical side, $25 on the dental side, and it gets you into the system, get you going, and the integrated approach to care, I think, is second to none, where you're able to come in, do your medical, do your dental, get your eyes taken care of, do behavioral health. The pharmacy's right there. We have x-ray locations at many of our sites. And it's a good program.
And there are the locations right there on that full screen. We're going to put the info on our website as well. Always so good to see you.
We look
forward to seeing you and your team again soon, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you very much.